2019 Dodge Challenger Redeye Hellcat. A beast of a car. Absolutely massive motor, supercharger. And what we got done on it for you boys and girls today is what you guys hate. High flow cats there and there, so he can pass emissions and have back pressure, because that's what everybody's been telling them. So there they are. He had these downpipes. They're called AFC power downpipes, and we cut it and put 2 high flow cats on it, and then it continues 3-inch with an X pipe factory. Then they did a mid muffler delete 3-inch, still got the active exhaust valves there and there, and then somebody else did all the rest of this work. They did a rear muffler delete or rear resonator delete there and there, and then they put blue flame tips, quad tips there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And that's how you put high flow cats on them. And we'll put a link in the description for the high flow cats. They're MagnaFlows. 51236. 51236 is the part number on them. Right there. There'll be a link in the description for those Cali converters. They're California emissions converters. So they should take the check engine light out too if you have any issues. And it's got shorty headers on it. I don't know what brand, probably the same brand as the downpipe AFC power, I guess. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. So it's still got the Y pipe, still got the factory intermediate pipe. And this is the muffler delete we did there. 1 and 2 right there, as you guys can see. So now it's got a muffler delete on it. That's how you do them on these GTRs. Right there. There's the stock mufflers we cut off. Right there. And we left everything else existing like normal, like nothing ever happened. But you just get the sound and performance. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. GTR muffler delete. Straight pipe. Peaked at 116. And it's in eco mode. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to switch it to sport mode and we'll let you guys hear it again. Right now it's in eco mode. Hellcat Redeye. Let you guys hear it on the inside. GTR. Much better. Did it? You know, people spend like $4 or $5 grand to get that sound. Yeah. They get a special system for them and all that. You don't need to spend that kind of money. Yes, sir. This sounds so sick, man. What you guys hear on the inside? The Redeye? I hope you guys like these videos. We sure do. We really enjoy doing them for you guys. Please hit that like button if you guys do. And if you ain't subscribed, subscribe. We'll have the customer drive it off for you guys. Beast. In there too. GTR Nissan. This must look really cool on it. Here it is at idle. Enjoy, guys.